everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this snow leopard look inspired by all the different illusions that people have done of it. Mine is obviously not really an illusion, but just a more simpler version of it all. So if you guys enjoy, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. Alright, so to start off this look, we are just gonna put the whole face completely white with my Snazzaroo Clown White face paint. So now I'm going into the Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm going to go into the color Tall Gray, which is this one right here. It is a matte, and we're going to start adding these cat-like features. So the first thing I'm going to do is my nose, which we are just going to make completely gray down the middle. And we're going to bring it out here on the sides too to make it look a little bit wider and less human. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush for this to deposit lots of color and also blend it. So I am just extending the gray up my forehead so that it has a little bit of, drawing that eye up like a cat shape. So then we're going to do two little dark indents here with the gray. We're going to keep these darker, and they're kind of like at a slant. So then I'm going to take some of the gray and put it underneath my eyes, still using the big brush. We're just going to do like a small little tapping motion to put it underneath the eyes. We're going to take a little bit of the gray and create that kind of cat mouth shape, that like rounded area here. So now using a black liner, I'm going to draw in the mouth lines. And then I'm just going to outline the nose. For the nose color, I'm just going to use this brush I've been using and go into a little pink blush and dot it on. We're going to draw a line up, kind of framing the cheek. So now using a fluffy brush, I'm going to add some little white dots into the gray. I'm just going to kind of tap them on really lightly. Back in with the gray and add some just on the outside of the face. Now for the eyes, since this is a look where when your eyes closed, it is basically the look, I am going to outline an eye shape on my eyelid. So snow leopards actually have blue eyes, so I am going to use this blue pigment I have that is a very light blue, and it's just about the same color. So we're just going to fill in that white space with this blue. And just fill the entire lid space with it. So now we have to create the pupil, which is just going to be a circle. So this is my finished snow leopard look. I think it actually looks pretty good. Like, I can tell what I am. The eyes didn't turn out exactly perfect, but I'm not an illusionist. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.